Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this CADPower video, I'm going to tell you something in detail about the conversion tools category in CADPower. This is a quick rundown and an explanation of the summary of the tools in this category so that you can decide whether you want to explore this more or not. The CADPower conversion tools is a popular toolset that enables format or data conversion from one type to another. The most important tool in this category is the conversion of arc segments to linear by approximation, a common requirement in engineering design. Yet another important tool is the conversion of splines to polylines. A point to note is that in CADPower, all these tools come with multiple options and parameters, making it easy to achieve your desired end results. If you are into 3D modeling, there are many tools here to convert and process all types of polyline variants like 3D meshes, 3D polyfaces, 3D faces, and so on. There are also flexible options to convert points, text, and blocks to each other using flexible methods. This is often a common requirement in surveying and mapping data processing techniques. There are also powerful linear units and Z-scale conversion routines that make it easy to deal with data that has been converted from one unit to another. Now, this is not a complete list of all the commands. There are many more also, but I have touched upon some of the important ones in the conversion tools section. So do give it a try. Download a trial of CADPower and try it out yourself. If you have any feedback or questions, feel free to get back to me. Thank you.